tornado warning.
All around here.
Fat and green.
Weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Blacksville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Castrol and Mount Morris around 5:55 p.m. Morgantown, Westover, Star City, Bobtown, and Granville around 6 p.m. Greensboro, Brookhaven, and Point Marion around 6:10 p.m. Cheat Lake and Cheat Neck around 6:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Smithfield, Sprague's, Osage, and Core. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Whoa!